Travel and Tour World magazine is in a conversation with Mr. Shahid Hamid, the Executive Director of Dhaka Regency Hotel and Resort and the Chairman of PATA Bangladesh Chapter. How successful is the Visit Bangladesh 2016 campaign?
To be honest, the BTB started the campaign pretty late, and then we had unfortunate incidents, as you know. So I would say it could have been better, but it didn't really produce expected result.
Okay. Yes. Do you think Bangladesh tourism industry is facing some challenges now?
Well, it's not only Bangladesh tourism industry. I guess the worldwide tourism is facing a challenge because of the terrorism acts. And Bangladesh is no exception. But never mind, it will go one day because this is part of the tourism industry. It happens elsewhere. And we see a bright future for that in the coming days.
Okay. Do you have any special plans to protect tourists during natural calamities like cyclones and floods?
Well, in terms of the international community response to the disaster, it's always very sympathetic and kind of donation, help and assistance. So that does create the airlines crew and the donor agencies, it does create a bit of tourism.
Okay. How can you develop sustainable tourism in this part of the world?
That is a big question, and that's my subject today also.
Okay.
If you look at the worldwide, the cities are developed because of the corporate client, capital city, business contract offices. But to make it sustainable, we have to go to destinations which is untapped, which is unknown, yet has the archaeological and cultural heritage. And to make tourism sustainable, we have to ensure that the investors, the associates, the suppliers, the shop owners, all are benefited out of the movement of tourism and to ensure the sustainability.
Thank you. How do you plan to conserve the historical heritage?
Oh, I will have to give you a good news that the Mahasthangarh in Bogura district has been announced yesterday as the archaeological capital of SAARC. So we are very much into it, and all efforts are being taken by the government through a special department to preserve the archaeological sites in Bangladesh.
Okay, that is really wonderful. What kind of regional handicrafts are favored by international tourists? What kind of regional handicrafts of Bangladesh are popular among international tourists?
Well, I guess our rivers, birds, food, culture, festivities, hills, all those are popular.
And the Dhakai Jamdani, of course.
Yes, Jamdani, then Royal Bengal Tigers, Song Sundarban, tea gardens.
Okay.
There are lots of them, but it is again untapped and got a bit of less international attention because of the branding and marketing opportunities.
Okay. Of late, the world is seeming to be obsessed with the concept of homestays. Do you plan to introduce this unique concept in this country?
As a matter of fact, homestay has already started in Bangladesh. Some of the tour operators are doing it already with North Bengal. And steps are being taken to do it with the indigenous people. This is a great idea, and I think this will again make a sustainability amongst the local communities who will be getting paid small amount or big amount, but interesting would be that gives a real experience to the international traveler. Staying in the same house, eating the same food, following the same culture. And I think it's a great diversity that we could achieve out of it, although it's in a very limited scale. But I hope that in future, homestay will become a popular concept in Bangladesh.
Okay, thank you.